here's a challenge for you. Have a look around under your house, in the back shed, maybe under a school building. See what's lying around, not being used, and make a garden out of it. Let's see what I've got. Okay, that's what I'm after. Just looking up under the house, this whole bit of PVC piping. Let's cut a bit off the end and see what I can create. Okay, I've got my PVC piping, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a self-watering herb tower for the kitchen. In fact, I've been getting into the thyme lately, so I might make a self-watering thyme tower. First thing I have to do is attach a base. I don't want this to leak, so the base is going to have a reservoir. If this leaks, all my water's going to go. Now we have our holes drilled. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sand these rough edges back a little bit, and then we're going to start planting it out. Now an old piece of PVC pipe is not the most attractive thing going around, so I'm going to give it a coat of paint. I'm going to paint it a nice dark colour which will contrast beautifully with the foliage of the thyme. So basically, we're creating a miniature wicking garden. I'm going to use some EnviroCloth to act as the wick, and then the soil continues to wick, and some river pebbles to hold the water. Now my pebbles are completely encased with the EnviroCloth. I have a hose here to put the water in. So here we have our self-watering thyme tower. On the kitchen bench by the window, just pop a bit of water in, and you'll never run out of thyme again.